Tom was a poor boy from a small town. He had old clothes, broken shoes, and no confidence. At school, people laughed at him every day. One rainy evening, Tom found an old English book. On the first page, he read one sentence: "I believe in myself." Those words changed him. Every day, Tom repeated that sentence. Those four words felt powerful. For the first time, he thought, maybe my life can change too. He studied English, watched videos, and practiced for hours. People still laughed, but Tom never gave up. Months passed. Tom became smarter, stronger, and more confident. One day, he went to a big job interview. When they asked, "Why should we choose you?" Tom smiled and said, "Because I never stopped believing in myself." He got the job. Years later, Tom became successful. He bought his parents a new home, helped his family, and changed his life forever. Sometimes success doesn't start with money. One belief, one decision. So today, look in the mirror and say, sometimes it started with one sentence: "I believe in myself." What sentence changed your life? Write in the comments. And remember, never stop believing in yourself.